During the service life of a vehicle, changes may occur in the engine's performance, such as the engine becoming sluggish at idle, or there may be hesitation during acceleration. These noticeable losses in engine performance may be attributable to a buildup of carbon and other contaminants in the fuel system, resulting in poor fuel economy and a greater level of harmful emissions. Maintaining a vehicle's fuel system is made easy with ServicePro's SP9102 two-step fuel injection and induction kit. When properly installed, this service is designed to safely remove carbon buildup from the intake valves and cleans fuel injectors and combustion chambers. This professional service restores engine performance and helps to restore fuel economy. Before beginning the service, start the engine and allow it to reach full operating temperature. Then, shut the engine off. Step 1 of this service is completed by adding ServicePro SP9102 fuel injector cleaner to the vehicle's gas tank. Some vehicles, such as Ford's, may require a funnel for this step. Step 2 involves inducting the ServicePro SP9312 intake valve deposit cleaner into the fuel system. You will need a special tool such as the SP300FI to complete this service. This tool consists of a stainless steel fluid canister, a control valve, a vacuum gauge, a delivery hose, and an application fitting. Fill the canister with intake valve deposit cleaner. Locate a main vacuum line and carefully secure the application fitting into this line. Make sure the valve on the tool is in the closed position and the tool hose is clear of any moving engine parts prior to starting the engine. Start the vehicle's engine. With the engine at idle, carefully open the control valve until fluid begins to slowly flow through the delivery hose and into the vacuum line. There is a sight glass located on the 300 Fi. This is where you can monitor the fluid flow rate. The engine should remain at idle as the chemical is installed. This process will take several minutes. If the engine stalls, reduce the chemical flow into the vacuum line and allow the engine to recover. Continue the installation process until the canister is empty. The engine may shake during the cleaning process. If necessary, adjust the throttle to a higher idle speed from 1200 to 1500 RPMs, but do not exceed 1500 RPMs. After the intake valve deposit cleaner has been installed, return the engine to idle and run for several minutes. Reconnect removed vacuum lines. Finally, do a test drive of the vehicle to ensure it runs properly after service. In summary, the ServicePro SP9102 two-step fuel injection and induction tune-up kit provides total fuel system cleanup, including fuel injectors, intake runners, ports and valves, helps restore fuel economy and removes carbon and other deposits, lowers exhaust emissions, increases power, eliminates hesitation.